Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 10th, 2021, Part 1, Theme Indigenous Peoples Day. Fry Bread, a Native American family story, written by Kevin Noble Maillard, illustrated by Juana Martinez Neal. Fry bread is food: flour, salt, water, cornmeal, baking powder, perhaps milk, maybe sugar, all mixed together in a big bowl. Fry bread is shape. Hands mold the dough, flat like a pancake, round like a ball, or puffy like Nana's softest pillow. Fry bread is sound. The skillet clangs on the stove. The fire blazes below. Drop the dough in the skillet. The bubbles sizzle and pop. Fry bread is color: golden deep brown, tan, or yellow, deep like coffee, sienna, or earth, light like snow and cream, warm like rays of sun. Fry bread is flavor: see beans or soup, smell tacos, cheese, and vegetables, delight in honey and jam, rise to discover what brings us together. Fry bread is time. On weekdays and holidays, supper or dinner, powwows and festivals, moments together with family and friends. Fry bread is art: sculpture, landscape, portrait, our daily craft, shared from teacher to student, a cycle of heritage and fortune. Fry bread is history: the long walk, the stolen land, strangers in our own world. With unknown food, we made new recipes from what we had. Fry bread is place: Alaska, Kansas, all the way to Maine, down to Delaware, on to Georgia, over to Oklahoma, Colorado, and California, cities and lands we call home. Fry bread is nation: Abenaki, Apache, Arapaho, Ojibwe, Onondaga, Oglala Sioux, Narragansett, Navajo, Nipmuc, Seminole, Shoshone, Sac and Fox, hundreds and hundreds of tribes. Fry bread is everything: round, flat, large, small, north, south, east, west, brown, yellow, black, white, familiar and foreign, old and new, we come together. Fry bread is us. We are still here, elder and younger, friend and neighbor. We strengthen each other to learn, change, and survive. Fry bread is you. Freeze here for Kevin's fry bread recipe. Pause now for the author's note on what fry bread means to him. The end. We're going to make a feather necklace. What you'll need is colored pencils or markers or crayons. You could even use paint if you really want. You'll need some tape. And in your Craft to Go kit, I will show you what we have. You'll need a circle. That'll be for the necklace. You'll need some sort of yarn or string. I went ahead and already attached this with a slip knot there. So that's that. Some feathers and some beads. Now the first thing we're going to do is decorate our circle. And to do that, I'm using colored pencils. And you can do this any way you want. You can make it abstract. You can make it look like a picture. It's up to you, however you want to do it. I figured I'm going to make a sunshine in the middle, and then probably do some rainbow colors on the outside. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is attach the feathers, and that's really easy. We just turn it over, put them in the order that you'd like them. Make them so they're kind of even, or like what I'm doing, I'm making the sides shorter and the middle longer. And then you just take some tape, take your tape, and you tape them to the back. Make sure they're nice and snug against the back of the circle. Put them on top of there too, because it'll go through a little bit. And it doesn't matter that it's gonna look tapey and yucky, because this is the back, and hopefully nobody has to see the back. So I'm probably putting way too much tape on it. I have a tendency to do that. So use whatever you need. So there you go, you got your feathers on. And then after that, you're just gonna string some beads on there. Do it however you like. Luckily the strings in the Craft-to-Go kits have these little aglets on them. If you need one, you can make it out of tape. Just put some tape on it and cut it off. That makes it a lot easier to string the beads. So I'm just going to do a rainbow on each side. Red, orange, yellow, green, and dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple. I'll stick a pink on there. And then I'll do the same to the other side. And that's it. You'll just make, put as many or as few beads as you want on there. I just want a rainbow on each side. And then you can go ahead and tie the top so that it fits, so it rests on the chest of your child. I'm just going to guess off here. Just tied a knot in it, and that's it. That's how you make your feather necklace.